Previously on Streetcar Chronicles.
What's up?
Oh, not much. I think we should just shoot for race week next year.
We're here to put together your 5.3, right? Or 4, is it a 4.8?
6'2".
6'2".
6'2".
6'2". It's LS stuff. It doesn't, yeah, it doesn't ring.
It's all the same, 2 days.
Yeah, it's 2 weeks and 2 days. I foresee it going quite well, to be honest with you. You're probably a class winner. Mustang's going to have zero problems. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
We better bring a lot of tools.
Yeah.
It's gonna...
Any spare part you can think of.
Yeah.
We'll probably use them all before we even get to day one. My car, on the other hand.
Yeah, no problem. Just
no
my
problem.
yeah.
Just yours.
Yeah, you got an LS. It'll run all day long.
Your car hasn't been driven in
24 years, I think it is, something
years.
like that. Yeah. We're gonna go move the. Still not fixed because we're still waiting on another motor. Pablo Escobar. Yeah, see, we got a little bit of oil on the ground. What happened? Huh?
leaking a little bit.
Yeah. So that happened. There's that. And there's that. You want to give me a quick rundown of what's happening here?
We pulled everything out.
What happened? Why?
Why? Because that took a shit.
See, the correct
Because it had so much power.
reason why this is happening. Aluminum expands differently than JB Weld.
Okay. Everything's gonna be fine.
Never thought I'd be here. Didn't think I'd ever be in this position.
No? Never crossed your mind not once?
No.
Never.
Trying to make it here day one, but things have turned into a disaster a little bit, so we'll see what happens.
The same one we have at work.
Well, it should go somewhere up here.
It's getting hot. The sun is just...
It's brutal.
Beaming down, all 74 degrees. It's so hot out today.
Do you have a... Man... Is it just...
Just put it
Give
on
me
the
a
big one.
screwdriver. It's gonna be easier.
Just pulling all of them, right? Or do you want to do those first two? Because I'm pretty sure. Well, I mean, the second one wasn't a problem. Should have been 2 and 8. That was
You should be nice. How's it look?
It's right on the freaking tip.
Is there a mark on it?
Not that it's was like revved out or anything. This one's easy to put in and put out. We just pull it out.
physical mark on it?
Not really.
Not really, or yeah, kind of.
Not really.
Okay. Somewhere on our trip, I lost my cool extension rod for this. I can raise it up and hold it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where'd it go?
I don't know.
Your big old selfie stick?
Yeah, my big old selfie stick.
Well, Dustin thinks he found a.
There we go.
See, that's one of the good ones.
That one looks a little foul.
Who's the other plug?
Which
Back
one?
one, number 4 or whatever it is. Who gapped it?
Oh. You just did the...
These are Ryan. No.
No, you did the PJ gap where you just, they're already gapped and stuck it in there.
Yeah, they look the same.
No.
Yeah.
What is it, all the way closed?
It's not all the way closed. I mean, this
That's
is like
got
for
plenty of
That's got
gap.
10,000.
Oh yeah, this is like a turbo car, and this is a Hyundai Elantra.
Yeah, 50 thousandths on that one and 20
No.
thousandths on
No,
that
it's
one.
not that bad.
That's got plenty of
But
gap.
it's got plenty of
You
gap.
don't need to check the gaps. Started pre-gapped. That's his famous words.
They are.
As he grins underneath his beard, he's like, "Fuck."
Ready? Oh shit!
You touched it.
I didn't mean to.
Yeah, you did. Don't do that.
Do we want to unplug the coils?
No, there's no power.
Dude, there's no control in this thing.
Well, touch it. Stick your hand down in there.
You stick your fucking hand down in there.
Show you guys this one. I get the keys.
That can't be right. Okay, let's pull this out.
Got another hole.
Did it have anything?
Get up to like 30.
How much? So you got a problem. Things have not gone exactly perfect. We did a compression test on the Nova. It is down on compression on a couple of cylinders quite a bit, so I think we got a possible vent valve. Then we went to go pull the damn rocker off, and that stupid sack of crap right there is rounded off. So they went to go get another socket. We're gonna have to weld one on it. And for the meantime, we're gonna probably call it quits for a little bit, and then we got something else to do, right? Thank y'all.
Welcome, have a good night.
Y'all too. Monster Trucks is over. So we'll come back here and do this. Why did we do this? What was that? Sounds like a bunch
I
of
wouldn't
tools.
worry about that.
Sounds like a bunch of tools I'll be looking for later.
Oh God!
Careful. The trailer is getting a bit dewy.
No, my foot's a little slippery for some reason.
Oh. Yeah, it's all that liver, chicken and liver.
Can we go around you? Excuse me.
Did you decide if you're gonna make Joe?
No, I don't think I am.
Okay, then I'm gonna have my Red Bull
Yeah, it's in the fridge
in
in here.
here.
I was gonna make coffee, but I don't think so.
Okay.
I'm tired.
Yeah. It's pull time.
Do you feel energized, Ryan?
Yeah, I do. I feel totally energized now.
Hey Ryan, they need something to put all the nuts and bolts in. Like a little tray
Sure.
or a box.
Right. Tray or box.
Yeah, there you go.
Right. Let's see. Right. Yeah. Need my Red Bull.
I want to know if you have rags.
Huh?
Rags?
You guys are getting real needy. There you go. There's a rag.
Your valves are not touching. Let's look at that.
This one.
Where's that carpool?
This is us.
Intake's, yes, intake's fine. Exhaust is blown. Watch.
You can see how far out it is.
Yeah.
Yep. There's your problem. So, my theory is there was a problem with these heads when you got them.
Yep.
So, you think there's a problem with the other side too?
Probably because we got cold cylinders in there too.
They were cold?
I wonder if it just has a bent valve.
You can see how far out that one is.
Yeah.
Well, if it's bent, then it's gonna look.
Yeah, I know.
It's either that or it's mushroom.
Okay, so is it like that the whole time, or
Yeah.
the whole
Because
even
that
on the
valve
other
always
one?
looks different.
Even the other motor?
Yeah. Because you can see, just look at how different the valve is. It looks completely different.
Did you get dry? Yeah. It'll wake you up in the morning. I used to take a shot of that in the eye every morning. You drive it a lot. I drive
No,
it
you
so
don't.
much. I
That
drive
bitch
it a lot.
hasn't moved in the last month. Besides when you're out of your garage and into the driveway.
It moved further than that. I moved it into the street the other day. And I drove around the block once. So you can just shut your mouth. Now what do you think? What do you think of that? Ha! Think you know shit.
I've driven my car further
I've driven my
in the
car
last
further.
month than you've driven yours. And I've pulled mine apart 3 times. This is the second motor.
And all of them broke just driving them around. You weren't even doing anything cool.
I know.
Like nothing.
Well, yeah, it was. I was driving race week.
You know what's funny? The last time you did something really cool in your LS powered car, it blew up too.
Dude, you can't go do cool stuff in your car. You gotta do boring stuff.
The last one was my fault.
We don't want to really talk
Well, I
about
mean,
that.
this
I didn't
one
mean
was
to bring
kind of
up
your
old
fault
shit.
because you
No, it's
didn't
kinda
check
like
the
a argument
heads.
with
Yeah,
life.
no.
You bring up old
I mean, I wouldn't have either, but
This is Taylor's fault.
It is Taylor's fault.
Yeah, because he's the one that said, yeah, get them checked. Probably
scratched
on the
one
brake.
down.
Quit scratching yourself, dude.
Now I got that phone like key thing stuck in my head. I don't even know the words to it.
Life used to be so easy when all I need was my phone, wallet, and the keys.
It's not gonna work.
So let me ask you a question. Did you put a adjustable controller into the back of your car? You?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Fairmont is badass. Blake set the Fairmont up for me before everything happened.
Really?
Yeah.
The back of it?
Yeah.
Damn it.
Was it set up for like 900 horsepower? So it's steer
Yeah.
stuff?
He's like, I put some rear steer in it for you.
Well, look, keys.
Dude, those hands are so light. I'm so
I
jealous.
know.
of that.
This is. How does it look?
Looks good from here.
Hey, look.
Oh, dude. Let's work on it on the trailer. It's not doing anything.
No, it isn't. Well, it looks like there's. It looks like it's not seated. Okay, well,
It's leaking a little bit.
right here.
Do the intake sign.
That one's sealing up. So it's just that side? Just the one?
Yeah.
I'd still get.
Yeah. Well, guess we'll just clean up all this shit here in a minute, and that's a wrap.
Turn the motor over so you can get as much of that water out as you can. That back cylinder's full of water.
Careful. Shit gets stuck in here.
I know.
It's been stuck in my head for 2 years. Like, I can't get it out. It's always playing in the back of my mind. I have to play something louder over it. Usually Cyndi Lauper or something. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's not what you're supposed to be doing.
Because he was touching the header.
Spins over really fast.
Yeah.
Because most of the water come out.
Yeah. Here, I'm gonna wipe it out.
Yeah, you get any WD?
Yeah, that would be a good idea.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Well, we didn't get to finish everything on this as usual, but that is what we like to call a wrap for now. To be continued as usual. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Appreciate the support.